Alright, so today I'm going to start building something that I've never actually made in a van before. Something new to me anyway. I want to start building it. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I'm pretty sure you'll be able to guess what it's going to be as the build goes along. So let's go. Okay, so it's going in that section there, all cleared out. Now I've got to do some measuring, cutting, screwing, all that palaver. See where it is. Okay, so here's some pieces I've just cut out. These two have got to connect. These three have got to connect together to make a panel like this. I'm going to use some battens to do that connecting, and then I'm going to put it in here section by section. So I've connected the three parts together, and this is going to screw in here now. It's going to hide most of the wiring and screw against there, nice and neat. Probably can't see much because it's a bit dark underneath there, but as long as I get right, so there we are, all the bits assembled. Can you guess where it is yet? Okay, so now I've just got to put a lid on it and then box out the top section as well. So I've got a lid on it now. I've put this here and this here, because what I'm going to do is build a wall here and a little wall here, and then I'm going to have like a little sliding panel in front of the solar controller just to protect it. And probably it's the sliding panel will cover the, you can't really see it on the camera, but there's a cut-off switch and the fuse box there, so the panel might cover all of those and be able to slide back and forth to protect them and give easy access to them. So I'm just going to leave a gap here so it can slide along. Okay, so shine my torch on that there a second so you can see a bit better now. So I've got this little bit of wall here, this little bit of wall on the side here, so that's going to get plied off, that's going to get plied off, and this is my little panel bit, so it can slide there to give access to the charge controller, and then slide back, or it can also slide way back if I wanted it to, and I can take it out to get access to the other bits there. Let's get it back in. So to just pull it back, you just pull it back like that. And it keeps it nice and protected from stuff that's going to be on this little bit of shelf here, and the bits that's going to be in the back shelf for the back section. Stop the wire and get whacked. There we go, all boxed off. Nice big bit in there, little shelf bit there. Just got to put a couple of front bits on to stop stuff falling off the shelf. I had to do some patching with the wood because I ran out, but I'm not too fussy about it if things looking perfect. I like things to look a little bit higgledy-piggledy, a little bit patchwork. So that just, to me, that just adds character to it, and also saves me money. Don't have to buy any more fresh ply when I can just put pieces together. See, it's all over the place. There's little joins everywhere you can see, really. But overall, that's the whole look that I'm going for, really, I guess. So yeah, front bits on, stain it, and then that bit is done. Okay, so it's a different day. Obviously, you can tell, different clothes. All the woodwork and stuff is finished now on the under the bed part, so I'll just show you what I've done. I went with the same theme here to stop things falling off the shelf. I have used some sticks that I have just collected, just sawn them to length, screwed them in the sides, gives it that organic, natural look, keep the theme running through. And I've got my little slidey bit there, so you can access the charge controller, and protects all the wiring and stuff on the other side, on the back bit, so nothing that's stored in the back might fall over and bash against like the switch or the fuses and stuff. So yeah, next I've got to paint it and it'll look all sweet and cushy. So I use exterior wood stain. This one's a satin one, quick drying antique pine from B&Q, probably like £10-ish for the pot, and it goes quite far really. I've used this same one on loads of stuff so far. Now I've got to paint in the hole. Uncomfortable. Sawdust all over my pants.
Hello. Hi. 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 Hi.
So, in case you haven't guessed by now, I've been building a dog bed in the van. So this is Milo. We got Milo just before Christmas. We got him from a rescue centre over on the Wirral. I can't quite remember what they were called. Wirral Animal Rescue, something like that. He's 4 years old, and he is Pomeranian. Well, he's meant to be a Pomeranian anyway, but he looks a little bit like he's a husky at the same time, or mixed with some sort of sled dog-esque thing. So yeah, we had a new member of the family, so I had to make a new bed in the van. So that's what I've gone and done. I've gone and made a little doggy bed with a little bookshelf on top of it. In your bed. In your bed. Go on. In your bed. Good boy. Lie down. Lie down. So there he is. There's the shelf. There's the pooch. Hey pooch. I think he seems quite happy, and he's going to be quite content when we're all sleeping together in the van. So that's the bed half of the van done. Adult bed, Oscar bed, doggy bed, shelf, electrics, lights underneath, and now I've got to strip out all this kitchen area and rebuild the kitchen. That's going to be quite fun because I'm getting something new and quite fancy for the kitchen as well. But it's all looking good now. I've got books up there, and I've got maps, some climbing books, some hill walking books, first aid kit, stuff like that. Some more adventure books and stuff on the shelf there, and the kettle, because I don't know, it just seemed to fit well in there. Little Milo. We wanted to adopt because obviously there's thousands and thousands of dogs all over the world, up and down the country, who all really need homes, and buying a pup just contributes to that problem. So we rescued this little guy, and he's fit right into the family. He's a lovely little dog, and he's going to come on lots of adventures with us. So anyway, if you liked the video, give it a little thumbs up and drop us a comment below. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, and if you feel like sharing a video on like your Facebook or anything like that, that would be a great help. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Cheers. Hey! He was a good boy. He was a good boy. He was a good boy.